Welcome back to CAD design tutorial. This is our first machine design tutorial. I would like to explain with modeling in this machine. This video for helpful for any engineering, not any engineering, especially mechanical engineer. So this is complete 3D model of heat transfer pressing machine. There are two working bed and one moving face. It is for increasing productivity in industry. So let's jump into the main tutorial. Alright guys, so let's introduce the heat transfer press machine. So first create the main head box, which is dimension is 125 and width length 125, and extrude bosses on 50. And next is case there are three of base legs. The three of base legs. $77 millimeter and 175. There are three pattern. Okay. Now chamber. There are three of chamber in this portion. $45 and which is 35 height. Our next extruded boss base plate base, they are in this portion. Now let me show. Our base plate base, which is length is 105 and 1 inch depth. $77 weight. Our portion is need to be shell, and there will be linear pattern, because this machine is moving face head is three bed, but usually uses two working bed. Shell with chamfer. Chamfer is height 10 millimeter and $45. And with extruded cut. This portion is extruded cut. With linear pattern. With 3 times linear pattern. Now base plate is here. There are 3 base plates with circular pattern. Now create the upward head, which is main head of heat press machine. Their dimension is 80 millimeter and 5 millimeter is height. Now again create the main head, which is basically 125 and 235 extruded boss base. After fillet, again extruded boss, $270. Because they are main head, there are a lot of tools into this place. So next tool is extruded cut. So here extruded cut. This is basically now see extruded cut. Jump into the extrude cut. $18 millimeter. Okay, exit sketch. Next, create on heat plate. It is main heat plate. The dimension is 270 and 207 millimeter. Now this option is chamfer because their look not is good, perfect. Chamfer. $45-degree angle, and which is height is top. Next is shell. There are lots of heating tools here in this place, include in this place. Again extrude boss, base, again chamfer. This is perfect look of model. Now make extruded cut, 10 millimeter depth. One 15 millimeter length, 15 millimeter. Weight 125 millimeter. You see? There are 4 holes. As hole diameter is 29 millimeter. First create this one and after that mirror, then again mirror. Now sketch, exit. Again sketch. Here, helix spiral. There are 5 distance and 15 species. So 50. There are extrude to boss base 50 millimeter at 10 pieces. This is pressure spring with extrude cut because it is not perfect look. This is perfect look. Nice boss base. $10 millimeter dia. Next linear pattern. Now perfect. Their linear pattern are into the 4 hole. This is pressure plate. Now create the pressure plate, which is okay. These plates are sketch previous please create for as per your requirement size. So next create extruded cut, then chamfer, There are 4 holes. Okay, is it this hole? Or there are 4 holes. So linear pattern. This here and this here and this here. Now again extruded ball base, because here is nut base plate. This is pressure plate nut. All right, there are 4 nut into connect the spring bar. So after that, sketching here and create the cylindrical bar and pressure plate supporting bar. This on to up to here. Let's see. They are cylindrical bar, and this is pressure plate support bar, which is diameter 12.5 millimeter, and cylindrical bar 21 millimeter. After that, create handle, this one to this one. They are both sides, this side and this side. Already create the start switch, which is basically dimension is 40 millimeter dia and 75 millimeter length to this portion, and downward to 35 millimeter, and extrude boss base, which is 30 millimeter. Okay, have this on chamfer, and chamfer is 1 millimeter. Okay, after that it is mirror, because it is in show to both sides. Now create plane. There are plane. Now create the handle. This plane too. Hit that plane and create handle. Their profile 1 millimeter width, height 7 millimeter, not 7 millimeter width, and 3 millimeter, 7 millimeter height, 3 millimeter width. Okay, and they are 20 millimeter distance upward to this line, 15 millimeter. Now create the swept boss base. Again create mirror, this portion, this part and this part. Mirror is okay. Create on off power. This is on off power switch, and this is heat indicator light. create on a pot glass which diameter is 15 millimeter, 25 millimeter and 50 millimeter. Now extrude boss base, chamfer, again chamfer here, our looks is perfect. Now again extruded boss base and chamfer as well. This is perfect look. Now create main emergency safety switch. $10 millimeter extrude boss, $30 millimeter dia and 15 millimeter extrude boss. Now create chamfer. After that create arrow shape, which is basically split line command. Use a split line command. That is perfect. Our start switch is mirror that I have created previous. Now create the nut. There are body nut and extruded boss, extruded cut and linear pattern to whole body. There it is, linear. They are nut to body nut. Again chamfer to all of them. And then mirror nut after that. After that mirror. Okay. Their whole nut is mirror. This plane is height. Look perfect. And this plane height. Look perfect. Again create the main heat press plate nut, which is basically 30 millimeter and 20 millimeter distance. There are 4 linear pattern. There are 4 linear pattern here. Now look good. Again split line. Create the nameplate. Smith heat machine. There are 4 nut. Extruded cut with chamfer to all of them. Again text here and then split. Now linear pattern. First sketch display option and text Smith and then split line command. Say it is okay. Now create timer and control temperature. Object. Create control temperature bar and this is timer. Their timer should 50 millimeter and distance between 50 millimeters. 75 millimeter to center to this object, and outer to timer. Frame is 45 and then extrude boss base on point 2 millimeter, just 2 millimeter. Again at decal. There are 2 decal. Now create the upward glasses. There are 2 glasses with chamfer. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I have explained it all the things. I hope guys enjoy my video and enjoy my heat press machine. Our next machine is snap button attaching, which is basically used in industry. So enjoy my tutorial. Thank you. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more video, more project and more video. Thank you.